Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset Google Chrome to its default settings. And now let's get started. To reset Google Chrome to its default settings, first open Google Chrome. Once you have Google Chrome open on your screen, click on the three dot lines at the top right corner of your screen. From the list of options, click on Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Reset Settings. On the right-hand side, you will see an option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click on the arrow next to it. You will see a summary of the actions that will be taken. Resetting to original defaults will reset certain Chrome settings, including Chrome shortcuts. It will also disable extensions and delete cookies and other temporary site data. If you are okay with these changes, you may go ahead and click on Reset Settings. Once this process is complete, your Google Chrome will be reset to its default settings. You may then close the Google Chrome browser. When you reopen Google Chrome, it will be set to its default settings. This is how you can reset your Google Chrome to its default settings. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.